सेकंड कलिमा शहादत। शहादत मीन गवाही देना। गवाही मीन विटनेस। आई बेयर विटनेस। ओके। अशहदु अल्ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाहु वहदहु ला शरीक लहू व अशहदु अन्ना मुहम्मदन अब्दुहु व रसूलुहु। I bear witness that none is worthy of worthy but Allah. Wahdahu, wahdahu, the one alone. La sharika lahu, without partner. Without partner. Wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan, and I bear witness that Muhammad, peace be upon him, is his servant and messenger. Second kalima shahadat. Shahadat mean गवाही देना। Okay. गवाही mean I bear witness. Okay. अशहदु अल्ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाहु वहदहु ला शरीक लहू। I bear witness that none is worthy of worthy but Allah. Okay, worthy of worthy but Allah, the one only. Okay, the one alone. Start from here. Ashhadu, ashhadu, only two line. Okay. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallahu wahdahu la sharika lah. This is line number 1. Second line, wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu. Oh. Okay, that's all. Do you understand? Okay, if you not understand, you should ask, please.